So there's this rumor that's been going around on the left that the Second Amendment has lived past its use date, that it's expired. There's no reason for us to worry about the right to keep and bear arms anymore. Well, the right to keep and bear arms is undergirded by two separate rights, the right to personal self-defense and the right to protect your rights. So the right to self-defense pre-exists government. Thomas Hobbes, John Locke, philosophers who were respected by the Founding Fathers, particularly Locke, talked about the fundamental right of any human being being your right to self-preservation, your right to self-defense. And what Locke had to say about that was that when a government is formed, in a state of nature, you have the right to self-defense. When a government is formed, you don't give up that right to the government. Hobbes thought you give up that right to the government. Now it was the government's job to protect you. Locke said it is the government's job to protect you, but that's just because the government can organize better. You do not give up your personal right to self-preservation when a government is formed. That right cannot be outsourced. It is inalienable. It's the right to life, liberty, property, according to John Locke, and as codified in the Declaration of Independence, life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. And it's the government's job to protect those rights, not to take away your own ability to protect your own rights. Okay, the right to protect your rights is the second right that is protected by the Constitution of the United States. Okay, the Declaration of Independence says, whenever any form of government becomes destructive of these rights, it is the right of the people to alter or to abolish it. And the founders were very clear that this right included the ability to have arms. Alexander Hamilton wrote glowingly about the ability of people to own arms in Federalist 46. He praised, quote, the advantage of being armed, which the Americans possess over the people of almost every other nation. He, like all the other founders, saw ownership of arms as a check on tyranny. So, you need guns for two reasons. One, somebody's coming into your house, you need to shoot them. And two, you have a tyrannical government, and you must have the arms available to form, what they call in the Constitution, a well-regulated militia to prevent government tyranny and to prevent foreign intrusion.